somewhat bigger scale. So this time I actually need a proper little measuring cylinder. And so I'm going to squirt in a little bit of carbon disulfide. This reaction has been known since the 19th century. And it's a very intriguing one. Because, of course, in the 19th century, doing photography was a real problem. Although they had quite sensitive emulsions, you actually had to sit there for a long time posing for a photograph. And indoor photography was a real problem. You needed a light source. Well, where are you going to get a flash lamp or whatever? Well, this is what they used. Now, I'm just going to put carbon disulfide in here. There we go, a little bit. There's quite a lot of brown fumes. I now have to mix this. I have to do this quite carefully. It builds up a lot of pressure. Just going to release it for a moment. Okay, there we go. Pressure release. I'm now going to mix it up. And remember this little test tubes you get at school? That side. Okay, well, you get to university and you sometimes get a test tube that big. This is the kind of professorial scale test tube. And people like Chris Cooper before me and stuff sit in their labs with things like this filled with blood doing this, right? Mixing back and forth and stuff. And I'll just release the last bit of pressure. Okay. And we're getting there.
Insecurity.
I now need my match, and so on. But what I hope I've done in this lecture is I've shown you that there's some incredible complexity tucked away in the corners of chemistry. And that chemistry can help give us insight into all kinds of very, very interesting and profound questions about our world. And it can also be absolutely infuriating to count K as a match on it. But what it can do is it can really help us to light things up, both in an intellectual way as well as in a kind of simple chemical way. Now, I'd like to leave you with a last bit of homework for this evening. Go and look at photographs of Queen Victoria, and look closely at the expression on her face. The reason why she looked kind of like that is because she probably would have had one of these going on beside her. Thank you very much.